Hi, Brad here. Another quick video on Little Green Button. This time we're going to be looking at the mobile app. Once downloaded and installed both on Android and iOS, please follow the activation steps via the app. And eventually you'll get to this page here. This is once you've connected your phone to your subscription using the QR code in your MyLGB portal. So here on the left-hand side, I'm just simply casting my mobile onto the screen. And on the right-hand side here, we have my desktop version, my Windows button. I can send and receive alerts from mobile to desktop and from desktop to mobile. What I can do here from the mobile app is if I double press this button here, which I'll do so now, you'll see that's going to trigger an alert, which I've now received here on desktop. I can see assistance required by Brad's phone. The address is shown there, and I can even click on the map, which will show me the GPS location of where that alert is coming from. Now, from mobile, I will have this alert raised status until I've either cancelled that alert or my colleague has responded over here. We're actually going to respond to that emergency here. So I'm going to click respond on the desktop, and we should see the mobile phone updated there and then. The alert's been responded to by Brad Day. The location is the headmaster's office. And let's show you that the other way around as well. This time I'm going to raise an alert from desktop by double clicking the button here. We'll see now the mobile is going to raise that alert. You can see that's been raised this time by the headmaster's office. I've got that notification here on my phone, and I'm going to respond there. Headmaster's received that yellow smiley face indicating a response. Another couple of quick things just to run through some of the basics. On the bottom left, you'll see the bell icon. I'm going to press that bell icon down here in the bottom left, and this will give me the alert types that I'm able to raise from my device. Let's say I'm on the playground and I've spotted an intruder. I've now choose that intruder alert, and I'm going to raise that intruder alert. You can see this time on desktop, they've received that intruder alert, not assistance required. I've noticed that that was a false alert, and actually it's a parent who we know quite well. I can simply slide here to cancel that alert, which I'll do so here on mobile. And again, that status is updated to everyone who's received the alert. Again, using that bell icon down the bottom, I'm just going to go back, set that to assistance required. The next box we have here where it says leadership team, these are the groups that I'm allowed to be a part of, defined by my administrator. Leadership team, Teachers Campus 1 or Teachers Campus 2. I'm going to keep that in the leadership team for now. And again, this final box here, device location. By default, the mobile will use a GPS location. We can define that we want a specific location name, again, defined by our administrators. Very quick guide on the mobile app, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.